Meanwhile, security forces used tear gas shells and batons to disperse thousands of supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party (CJP) who gathered at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi for the Chalo Sunset March on the first day of Parliament's monsoon session. The protesters were demanding action over alleged irregularities in a Neet medical entrance examination and registration of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Delhi police had denied permission for the march, imposed prohibitory orders, and warned against unauthorized gatherings. Clashes broke out when some protesters allegedly attempted to breach barricades while marching towards Parliament, leaving several protesters and police personnel with minor injuries. Mobile internet services were suspended in parts of central Delhi and 5 metro stations were temporarily closed, disrupting travel for hundreds of commuters. The Cockroach Janata Party, launched in May by Abhijit Dipke as a satirical digital movement, has rapidly gained nationwide support and expanded its campaign to demand reforms in the education system. Dipke returned to India in June to lead the protest and was joined by activist Sonam Wangchuk, who began an indefinite hunger strike at Jantar Mantar on June 28. Wangchuk was taken to hospital on Saturday after police cited concerns about his health. In a handwritten note released from the hospital on Monday, he said he would end his fast only if the government accepted responsibility for the alleged examination failures or if members of parliament assured him the issue would be raised during the ongoing monsoon session.